Hi, I'm David Fields, and I am making a video tonight to go to America's Got Talent for their 2012 season's auditions. And I am going to do two songs for you tonight. One's going to be a George Strait song, I Just Want to Dance With You, and a version of a Righteous Brothers song. Instead of You've Lost That Loving Feeling, I'm going to sing You've Got That Loving Feeling in honor of my wife. I am David Fields. I'm from Seneca, South Carolina, and I am trying to be America's male version of Susan Boyle, who, if you remember correctly, a couple years ago did very well with Britain's Got Talent, and she's doing very well today still. She was 47 when she auditioned. I will be 53 in April. So here goes. I don't want to be the kind to hesitate, be too shy and wait too late. I don't care what they say other lovers do, I just want to dance with you. I want to dance with you, twirl you all around the floor. That's what they intended dancing for. I just want to dance with you. Ooh, I want to dance with you, hold you in my arms once more. That's what they invented dancing for. I just want to dance with you. You always close your eyes every time when I kiss your lips. There's such a tenderness when you touch me with your fingertips.